Hi everyone, now we're going to look at question number 2. It says, which of the ordered pairs below is not a function? So in order to do this question, there's no way to do it on the calculator. We have to remember what the definition of a function is. So the key math word here is function. So we're going to write down that a function is basically when the x values do not repeat. And if I were to look at it on a graph, it passes the vertical line test. Now, since none of these points are plotted on the grid, we're just going to look at those x values. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out all my y values. So remember, the y values are the second coordinate, so we only care about the first one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each of those ordered pairs and cross out those y values for each of my answer choices. And I'm just going to look at my x values. So it wants to know which of these is not a function. So I'm going to want an answer where the x values repeat. So if I look at my answer choice for choice number 1, my x values are 0, 9, 1, and 3. None of those values repeat, so that is a function. So it can't be choice 1. If I look at choice 2, I get 0, -1, 1, and 3. None of those values repeat either. Now I'm going to look at choice 3, and I have 2, 3, 4, and 5. None of those repeat either. And now if I look at choice 4, I have 2, 2, 4, 4. That is definitely not a function because the 2 repeats and the 4 repeats. So that's how we approach that type of question.